Okay, for question number 13 in section 6.4, we want to graph the function not by plotting points, but by starting from the graphs in the figures below. So if we take a look at the function, we have y, which is equal to the log of base 5 of x minus 3 minus 2. So we want to take a look at what is the parent function for this. Well, the parent function we've graphed. So you have y, which is equal to the log of base 5 of x, and this is what our graph looks like. And so we have an ordered pair at 1, 0 and an ordered pair of 5, 1 from that graph that we can distinguish. So what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to then find what is the shift. Is there a horizontal shift? Is there a vertical shift? Well, in this problem, there's two. Okay, so if you notice that we have the log of base 5 x minus 3. And so the x minus 3 tells us that there is a vertical asymptote and it's shifted 3 units to the right. And therefore that vertical asymptote is equal to x equals 3. So the first thing you want to do is draw the vertical asymptote so that you can see the shift. Now, we also know that we have a value of d, which tells us that we're also going to be shifting this down 2 units. Now, if we take a look at the 2 points of the parent graph, so the 2 points on the parent graph are 1, 0 and 5, 1. And then what we're going to do is, since we're shifting it to the right 3 units, we're going to add 3 to the x coordinates. So we end up getting 1 plus 3, which is 4, and then 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, and then because we're shifting it down 2 units, we're going to subtract 2 units from the y coordinate. So we're going to take 0 minus 2, which is negative 2, and then 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. And so now we can go ahead and plot those points. So we plot 4, negative 2, and we can plot 8, negative 1, and then we connect those points drawing a smooth curve. And so now we can state the domain and the range. So now the range, okay, is going to start from, the domain is going to start from 3 now and go all the way to positive infinity. The range goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. And then the asymptote is going to be x equals 3.